Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman narrates that Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said that he heard the episode of intermission of revelation from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "One day while I was going, I heard a call from the sky. I thereupon raised my head upward to see the very angel who had come to me in the Hira, sitting on a chair between the heaven and the earth. I at his sight got awed, so I came back home and said, 'Wrap me up, wrap me up.' So I was wrapped up. Whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, 'O the mantled one, stand up and then warn and magnify your Lord alone, and keep clean your clothes, and remain away from the idols, and bestow not favor to anyone seeking increase, and be patient for the sake of your Lord.' It happened before the prayer was made obligatory. And ar-rijza means al-awthan, the idols. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4925.